Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Square for retail inventory syncing with e-commerce step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Square account. Navigate to the Square for Retail section on the dashboard. Locate the Settings option in the menu. Click on Inventory. Next, find the e-commerce tab within the inventory settings. Select the e-commerce platform you wish to sync with Square for Retail. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your e-commerce account. You may need to enter your e-commerce account credentials for verification. Once connected, review the settings for syncing your inventory. Adjust the sync frequency according to your needs. Enable options for automatic updates if available. Confirm that the inventory categories match between Square and your e-commerce platform. Map any additional product details that need to sync. Save your changes to finalize the connection. Monitor the inventory levels to ensure the sync is working smoothly. Make any necessary adjustments based on your inventory performance. Once everything is synced, ensure to test the connection by making a small transaction. Check both your Square dashboard and e-commerce platform to verify the inventory levels update correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.